Meaning of deploy.
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 Deploy. Deploy refers to the act of strategically positioning resources or tools in order to achieve a specific goal. The result of successful deployment is the efficient utilization of these resources to accomplish tasks in a timely and effective manner. This term is commonly used in military operations, software development, and business strategies. In each context, deployment requires careful planning and execution to ensure all necessary components are available and functioning properly. Ultimately, the success of a deployment depends on the ability to utilize resources efficiently and effectively to accomplish a desired outcome.